Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to clear Facebook activity history. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Facebook application and sign into your account if necessary. Tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right, and from this page, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings one more time, and scroll all the way down to find your Facebook information. Tap on the activity log from this page, and you'll be able to see all your Facebook activities such as posts you've created and things you've liked. Now from this page, in order to clear Facebook activity history, go and tap on the filters at the upper left. After you do that, tap on Categories. From this page, tap on Locked Action and Other Activities. If you want to clear all the searches trees, then tap on the Search History option from the expanded menu and tap on Clear Searches. After that, you'll be able to delete all the searches that you've made on Facebook. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.